Hey everybody, me and Autumn's in the house today. Too cold to go outside, but it's a sunny, beautiful day out there. And she's right here at my feet, as usual. Say hi, Autumn. Say hi. Hi, Dada. But the reason I'm coming on today because I want to get some seeds planted, but I want to show you how I do it when you don't have a lot of money to go out and buy planter tubs for your seeds or whatever you call them things. I don't know. What I do, and I save up these bottles for a while, but I use my Diet Coke bottles. It's not a commercial for Diet Coke though, so don't run out and start drinking that stuff. It's addicting to me. I got rid of all of my addictions, smoking and drinking all the time, so only addiction I haven't beat is Diet Coke. I beat the sugar one, and that was a tough one. But Diet Coke addiction I haven't beat yet. Anyway, or if you get some old styrofoam cups laying around, this one's too big to fill all the way up, but you could if you wanted to. You could also just cut them the size you think you need and plant your seeds in there. And another way I used to do it all the time was take egg cartons, fill it with dirt, and start your seeds that way in egg cartons if you have egg cartons laying around. I don't have chicken, so I got egg cartons laying around. But I'm going to start cutting these up, and I'll be right back in a second because ain't no use of y'all watching me try to cut these things up. It can be a little tough sometimes. But we'll be back with a video where we're putting the dirt in there and planting them. I'm not going to put holes in there because I'll show you what I use the water with. I don't put holes in here. I just got a little Miracle Grow in the spray bottle, and I'll just spray my seeds dirt down a little bit. You don't want your dirt soaking wet anyway. Not for seed. So I'll be back after we get to putting the dirt in these planters and planting some seeds. Be back in a second. Yep. Hi everybody, it's been longer than just a second. It's been a few days, can't you tell? Got my hair, ears lowered. Haircut, ears lowered. Anyway, I got the bottoms cut out of the Coke bottles, and great little planters. So in the egg carton, I'm gonna use the egg carton. I'm gonna plant some green onions in that. So got me a little dirt here. What am I gonna do first? Brandy's. I'm gonna do Brandy's mariachi peppers. I took seeds from peppers because I can't find no more of these plants. So I'm going to try to grow some from seed. I don't know how it's going to turn out. So I'm going to get a little dirt. This is some old dirt. I hope it's still good. A little bit more. This is so dry. I'm gonna go, and I got my fertilizer mixed up. This is the only way I plant in the house is I just use a spray jug to water them with because they don't need a lot. Anyway, whoop. Want to open that for me? I might spill it everywhere. I hope there's seeds left in it. Let's just put a few in my hand. We don't need a lot. They're either gonna come up or they're not.
Excuse me.
I'm just gonna drop a few down in here. I don't want them all. Well, I guess I have to take them, they're wet. That's more seeds than I wanted, but they come up, I just figure out where to put them all.
Yep. Because I can make jams and stuff with them.
Yeah, she made some mariachi jelly one time, man, that stuff was good, but mariachi peppers are very hot. Not as hot as ghost peppers, but they're so hot I can't eat them. They're hotter than any jalapeno I've ever ate. I was hoping that it smells good. I thought it was a cleaner there for me. Let's pray it's not a cleaner. Anyway, I'm going to do a couple more, then I'll let y'all go. I just wanted to show y'all some different ways of doing this. I think I'm going to do the egg carton next. And I'll just use one of these containers to fill it with. This potting soil's dried out bad. Any of y'all used egg cartons for planting in? Works pretty good. I used to do it all the time. Is Penny playing with her?
No.
She's laughing at something.
She's laughing at her little elephant.
Really? That girl is something else. She keeps herself busy constantly. You did it? I might have to go find me some different soil. This stuff is dry. Dry. It's almost like a mulch. I got 6 bags of potting soil out there I can break into. I'll plant some green onions next. Never having too many green onions. And I'm going to buy me a dehydrator and I'll dehydrate some of them this year.
And garlic too.
Yep. Well, I ain't planting no garlic. I ain't got nowhere to plant any garlic right now. But we can buy garlic and dehydrate it. Man, that's a little bitty seeds. I hate them little bitty seeds. I'm just gonna drop a few here and there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find some more dirt. This ain't cutting.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. My finger's wet and I can't get rid of the seeds.
Here. The wife to the rescue. Oh, that one?
Then just drop a few in each one. Oh, well. Oh, well, guys, this is a poor man's way of planting. If you don't have the money or don't want to spend the money like me to go buy big planters and stuff like that, this is an easy, cheap way to do it. And another thing I wanted to show y'all, where'd it go? Where'd that little styrofoam one go?
Oh, right here.
Just a minute. Yeah, here's another way to make planters. I know a lot of y'all go buy you some soft drinks like this, so they make good planters too. So I'm gonna wrap it up right now. Just a way to show y'all different ways to start from seed inside the house. I got a little table back there sitting in the window, and I'm gonna just move all of that back there after I get through planting it, and see what happens. I'll give y'all an update in a few days to see if it's coming up or not. So we'll see y'all on the next video. Y'all stay tuned for more of these seed planting, and y'all please subscribe, ring that bell, and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.